गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वर गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। ओम भवताप प्रणाशिने आनंद घनमूर्तये ज्ञान भक्ति प्रदायिने मातस्तुभ्यं नमो नमः। जय माँ, जय माँ। Okay, another question is this is somebody saying please talk about Atma Bodh. Atma Bodh is of course like the book, the text that is attributed to Shankara, Adi Shankaracharya, and it has 68 verses how to come about with the awareness of the Atman. So it's a whole process where you learn and study, and then it is basically you're a seeker, so you have to come to self-knowledge, right? You have to come to your own self. So the Atma Bodh describes how to come about with this process, how to go along, and it describes the path basically to self-knowledge. So काफी कुछ उसमें है, जैसे वेदांत में कहते हैं that Shravan Manan Nididhyasan. So if you are a true sadhak, you have to go through the entire process of inquiring within yourself, who are you, why are you here, what is this Jagat all about, and if I am that, how would I know I am that. और ये तो बहुत तपस्या करनी पड़ती है, lot of तपस्या, lot of अनुष्ठान करो, तपस्या करो, and constant inquiry within to come to self-knowledge. So it is a whole sadhana, right? So instead of me talking, why don't you just read Adi Shankar's text, It has 68 verses of Atma Bodh. Atma ka Bodh, searching for the self, So any path you take, any kind of sadhana you do, I believe you said you're a Vedantist or something. So I don't put labels on anything, okay? Whether I'm a Vedantist or I'm a Bhakti Margi or ye yog kiya, wo yog, I'm not into that. Just pray to माँ, and जैसे माँ हमेशा बोलती है नाम में सब कुछ. Go on doing the naam that you've got, or even if you don't have, go on remembering माँ, and things just turn around and you get to know a lot of things. So वही बात है कि साधना करते करते जो आपको रिवील होता है, the revelations that are there in sadhana, then there is no need to read anything, because everything is the same. All paths go to that goal only. The paths may be different, but the goal is the same for everyone. So कोई भी मार्ग ले लो, कोई भी पाथ ले लो, आप बोलो मैं वेदांतिस्ट हूँ, अद्वैतिस्ट हूँ, या भक्ति में हूँ, या whatever, क्रिया योग में हूँ, या whatever people say is fine. That is your path. Go along, and don't waver. That's the most important thing, because we are all here to come to know who we are. We are here for that search only, which people sometimes miss out on, and that missing out means you're not ready yet. Maybe in the next life and the next life, who knows, but that self-inquiry jab tak nahi hoti hai, tab tak you will have to go on coming back and back and back, because finally we have to release ourselves from this planet and never come back. No return ticket. So whatever path you are on, be steadfast. Just do it very, very religiously, and you will be there. Maybe not in this life, then in the next. Who knows? And maybe here and now. So Atma Bodh ka to wahi hai, the path that takes you to your own self, to self-knowledge. So try and read all that. Next you have asked me is share your experiences about Kundalini. Again, I'm not a Kundalini person at all, okay? Who cares? कौन सा चक्र खुला, क्या हुआ, मुझे क्या लेना देना? And one thing that I do want to tell all of you, whoever is doing the Kundalini yoga or whatever, please do not do it without proper authority. There are chances it's a very dangerous road. So if your Gurudev, whom you trust completely and you have faith in, if he guides you, this is done only with guidance, not otherwise. And if you're asking me, why should I bother about Kundalini at all? जो होता है होने दो. कुंडलिनी में चक्र सब खुल गए हैं, नहीं खुल गए हैं, सब ठीक है मेरे लिए. आई एम नॉट पेइंग अटेंशन टू दैट because I'm not here for that. I'm here to come to myself. I'm here for self-knowledge. I want to be one with Ma. Whenever she calls me, I want to be one with her. So chakra khula, nahi khula, it's irrelevant for me. So my experiences of Kundalini, I don't think I can talk anything about it. Yes, there is a stage beyond the Kundalini. Beyond, okay? I'm talking about beyond. That, yes, I have experienced, okay? And it's difficult to describe all that, very difficult. Because Kundalini जब तक खुलती नहीं है, चक्र खुलते नहीं हैं, ये experiences भी नहीं होते हैं. So I myself didn't know when all these experiences I went through, I myself didn't know what was happening to me. It is huge, humongous. Then I had to ask so many people. Swami Bhaskaranand ji I asked, Ashok Baba I asked, because things were happening to me. So I asked them and they said, yes, this is the thing. So, I was not aware कि चक्र ऐसे खुलते हैं तो क्या होता है क्या. So चक्र तो काफी पीछे रह गए. What I'm experiencing since probably 15-20 years now is something totally different. And which I am told, by the authorities that it is beyond the Kundalini, what is happening to you. So if you ask me, when did the chakras open? I have no idea. And I'm not bothered. Really, I'm not. So even if you're experimenting or something, please do not do it. There are chances of losing your mind if you don't do it without authority. If you do it without, don't do it, if you do it without authority. So authority बहुत ज़रूरी है. Somebody to guide you. If you really are interested in the Kundalini, I am not. So जैसे कहते हैं ना कि साधना में हम लोग बैठते हैं तो we should not be bothered कि मेरा कौन सा चक्र खुला या क्या हुआ. वो automatically we get to know because our attitude will change, our everything will change. If we are angry people, we'll become mellow, we will be compassionate towards human beings, we will be concerned about their welfare. जो हम कर नहीं सकते थे, like talent, painting है, music है, singing है, जो भी है वो भी खुल जाता है अगर तो those things also follow. Things happen on their own and you wonder how did this happen. I was never accomplished with all these different things, but they are happening. So fine, don't get involved with all this. Chakras it's not about chakras that you come here. It's about you finding yourself and you should concentrate on that. Chakra खुलते खुलने दो, नहीं खुलते नहीं खुलने दो. But don't get involved in all that, फिर यहीं पे रह जाते हैं. Most of the people I have seen, जिनके चक्रास खुलते हैं, they utilize those siddhis for power, for name, for fame. So then again you are stuck in this world only, na? You are stuck in this material world and you will never progress if you start utilizing those siddhis. Then there is no way to go further. So everything is neti neti. Khul raha hai to very good. Neti neti. I'm not here for that. So what am I here for? To come to Ma. That is my only aim and goal. So my experiences of Kundalini, I don't know. Maybe they are open, maybe they are not open. I don't even want to know. But yes, beyond the Kundalini, I have experienced a lot of things, which some of my friends and family and they have seen that happening to me. It's a very beautiful experience, which happens at any given time. There is no fixed time कि ऐसा होगा तो ऐसा होगा, ऐसा नहीं है. So let that also happen. So I'm not concerned with all that. ठीक है. जय माँ. ओम भवताप प्रणाशिन्ने आनंद घनमूर्ते ज्ञान भक्ति प्रदायिन्ने मातस्तुभ्यं नमो नमः. जय माँ. जय माँ.